Now see here, the susceptibility of magnesium at 300 Kelvin is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. At what temperature will the susceptibility be equal to 1.44 into 10 raised to power minus 5? So now see here, first case here, susceptibility is given to us chi m is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 and T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Now, at what temperature susceptibility is this much? So, we can take chi dash m is equal to 1.44 into 10 raised to power minus 5 and T dash we have to calculate. We know this relation chi m is equal to C upon T. It means chi m is inversely proportional to temperature. So, we can write chi dash m upon chi m is equal to T upon T dash. So, here we have to get the T dash. So, that is here T dash is equal to T into chi m divided by chi dash m. So, that is 300 into 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 divided by 1.44 into 10 raised to power minus 5. When you solve it, you will be getting T dash is equal to 250 Kelvin. So, this is the answer or this is the temperature at which susceptibility of the magnesium will become 1.44 into 10 raised to power minus 5.